How to zoom in on Discord on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zoom in on Discord. So let's get started. First thing, you will need to open up your Discord. You can head over to discord.com/channels/me and you can just log in into your account. After doing that, to zoom in your Discord, all you have to do is just pinch out, and after you pinch out, you'll zoom in like this. So this will not be to your frame. If you zoom in, it will just zoom into a particular section. And let me just go back there, and you can zoom out the similar way. So after you've zoomed in, you can just zoom out by pinching in, and you've zoomed out. The other way is by tapping on Control plus, and if you zoom in like that, everything will be set to your frame as well. Now you can zoom out using Control minus option. So you can do that, or you can simply use this button right here. So if you don't find that here, tap on the three dots right here, and there you should find the zoom button where you can zoom in and zoom out like this. And that is how you can zoom in and zoom out on Discord, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.